Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video is we are going to the dental clinic. The dental clinic name is Nasim Dental Clinic. So I am on the way there para ikabit na ang aking crown kasi may problema ako sa taas ng aking ipin. So I don't know why they call it crown, but yes, they will put the crown on my tooth up. So kasi masakit talaga siya while eating, so I actually asked them to make it like as soon as possible kasi nababother yung ipin ko, especially pag kumakain ako, masakit siya, hindi ka makanguya. So yun, and definitely today they called and then they said that I can come and they can put the tooth. So we'll see. And hi guys, dito na tayo. We're reached to the dental clinic. So paakyat na tayo papunta sa ating location. Nasa 2nd floor ang aking dentist, ang aking doktor. So tara, punta na tayo. So I hope that there is not much of people today kasi it's still morning. So, I reach and waiting kasi nasa queue tayo. Medyo maraming tao today. So, wait lang. Patient is the key. So, ayan na guys. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Diyan. Ganyan sinukat yung aking ipin. Kasi sa right side sa taas. Ayan. Sinusukat na ni Doktora ang ating ginawang crown kung magkasya ba siya. So, finally, ayan, pinapatry niya na sa akin. And so far, okay naman siya. And yun, medyo pinapalas niya lang ng konti kasi medyo malaki ng konti or medyo may sabit or ano bang tawag dyan. Pero ayan, sabi niya sa akin, are you taking a video? Kasi nag-take ako ng video na hindi niya alam. Kasi syempre nakakahiya naman, di ba? So, ayun. Okay naman siya and finally, masaya na aketch kasi nga okay na siya.
Open, close.
So,
left and right. Move your teeth left and right. Close
and
and then move
she's
your
so
teeth left
nice.
And right. Yes.
She's from India, by the way. And yun, she's really nice. How she do it, it's really good. So, yun sabi niya dyan. Are you taking a video? Natawa ako. So, yun, ang cute lang. Okay na. Yay! Ganda na yung ating ipin. And she also did my whitening last week. She actually told me not to drink coffee at the same time, but matigas ang ulo natin, I drink coffee kasi nga, coffee is life. So, parang to avoid, na mag-iba yung color ng ating ipin, sabi niya lang sa akin, not much of a coffee, not much of a soft drinks, and all these things.
It's like not there, right?
Para always white
like
ang ating teeth.
Yeah, like all the other teeth,
anyway,
it's just matching with it, right?
Yun lang.
Sure, 100%.
Okay
So
naman.
it's
and yay,
now
I'm
not
so
like before,
happy.
like half there only?
Kasi nga,
No,
sa taas ng aking ipin,
Yeah,
pag wala yung crown, masakit. Ang pangit, charot. So, ayan, ikabit na nga siya finally. Perfect. So, ayan guys, tapos na tayo for today sa ating ipin. So, I'm heading back home para mag-rest. Kasi today, I did not come to the duty. I didn't go to work today. Kasi nga, I had an appointment for my teeth. So, ayan, we're done for today and I'm going home. They actually did also before. This was the second time I've met to the doctor. So, the first time she did whitening on my teeth. So, as you can see, maputi-puti ang ating ngipin. So, today's was for my crown. Kasi before, kalahati lang siya kasi nga sira. So, tinanggal nila yung crown before, then pinalitan nila ng bago ngayon. So, ngayon, ayan, perfect na. Makakakain na tayo ng bongga. So, after 1 hour, pwede akong kumain. Pero dapat hindi daw matigas. Para careful muna kasi kakakabit lang. So, ayan. That's it, guys. So, syempre, meron pa akong isa. Dito, sa baba naman, may butas. So, kailangan nilang i-root canal yan. So, siguro, mga next session na lang ulit. Diba? Diba? So, it is life. Kailangan, bongga yung ating ngipin. So, that's it, guys, for today's. And, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bago pa lang ako sa YouTube. So, sana supportahan nyo ang aking channel. Thank you. That's it.